What if you were never supposed to exist? Not philosophically, biologically. Because 66 million years ago, one asteroid reshaped the entire trajectory of life on Earth. And because of that, you are here. But here's the question most people never ask. What if it missed? What if dinosaurs never went extinct? Because if they survived, there's a very real chance your species never appears. And this changes everything. We tend to imagine evolution as a ladder, climbing upward toward intelligence. But evolutionary biologist Stephen Jay Gould argued something radically different. If you rewound the tape of life and played it again, the outcome would almost certainly be different. Evolution is not a script. It's improvisation. Dinosaurs dominated Earth for over 160 million years, far longer than humans have existed. From evolution's perspective, they were already successful, which creates our first paradox. Maybe humans didn't replace dinosaurs because we were better. Maybe we only appeared because dinosaurs disappeared. And this changes everything. Without the asteroid impact, ecosystems likely remain stable. Large herbivorous dinosaurs shape vegetation. Predators control populations. Airborne niches filled by pterosaurs and early birds. Mammals? Probably small, mostly nocturnal. Paleontologists believe early mammals survived by living in ecological shadows, active at night, hiding underground, meaning your ancestors might have stayed small indefinitely. Imagine Earth today, forests dominated by massive reptiles, no human cities, no philosophy, no internet, just a thriving world that never needed us. Pause for a moment. How does it feel to imagine a planet that works perfectly without humans? And this changes everything. Here's where speculation becomes fascinating. In the 1980s, paleontologist Dale Russell proposed a controversial idea. What if certain dinosaurs, especially troodontids, continued evolving intelligence? Troodontids had unusually large brain-to-body ratios, binocular vision, grasping hands. Russell imagined a hypothetical dinosauroid. Many scientists debate this idea, but the deeper insight remains. Intelligence is not uniquely human. Evolution has independently produced complex cognition multiple times. Dolphins, corvid birds, octopuses. Which leads to a paradox. If intelligence evolves repeatedly, why assume it had to look like us? Imagine intelligent dinosaurs evolving culture, technology, perhaps even philosophy. Would they see mammals as insignificant background species? Meaning in that timeline, you're not the main character, you're environmental noise. And this changes everything. If another intelligent species ruled Earth, would you still believe humanity was inevitable? Or would you see us as an evolutionary coincidence? Here's the twist most people miss. Dinosaurs didn't truly vanish. Birds are living dinosaurs. Every pigeon, every eagle, every sparrow. You're watching the descendants of an ancient dynasty. Evolutionary biologists describe birds as the most successful dinosaur lineage. Now imagine a world where that lineage never lost dominance. Giant flightless predators, hyper-specialized aerial hunters, new ecological arms races. Jurassic Park wouldn't be fiction, it would be wildlife management. And yes, cats would probably still ignore you. Some evolutionary constants refuse to change. The asteroid didn't just kill dinosaurs, it reshaped opportunity. William Edwards Deming once said, "It is not necessary to change. Survival is not mandatory." Mass extinction events reset evolutionary landscapes. They remove dominant species. They create empty niches. Without that reset, mammals might never diversify into primates. Without primates, no humans. Which means something deeply unsettling. Your existence depends on catastrophe. Your thoughts right now are echoes of extinction. And this changes everything. If you enjoy exploring mind-bending evolutionary paradoxes like this, subscribe. It helps this channel grow and lets me keep creating deep explorations like this. We often think evolution leads toward complexity, but complexity might just be a side effect. Bacteria still dominate Earth by biomass, evolution's greatest success story, which creates a strange possibility. Intelligence might not be evolution's goal. It might be a rare accident, meaning humanity could be a brief experiment, not the destination. And this changes everything. So maybe the real question isn't, what if dinosaurs survived? Maybe it's this. How many intelligent civilizations never existed because evolution turned slightly differently? Stephen Jay Gould said, "Replay the tape of life and you get a different set of outcomes." Another version of Earth might exist, full of intelligence, but without humans. Every extinction rewrites destiny. Every survival reshapes possibility. And right now, you are living inside the aftermath of a cosmic accident. Temporary, unlikely, extraordinary. And this changes everything. Next time you see a bird, remember, you're looking at a survivor of a world that almost continued without you.